Okay.
Hello friends. Today we are here at Udyar. This place is called Udyar because these are rock caves, and here we have a small shop which cooks local food generally, like veg and non-veg. Both options are available there. Today we are having non-veg. This is chicken curry and rice with the local mint chutney, and the carrot is there, and this is basically a little bit of spicy. It smells good, so I am hoping that it will taste good, as I know it will taste good, but still finger crossed. And let's go to Mr. Rahul.
Start.
Okay, start. So now these are veg options. This is called bhatke dubke. Bhat is a black beans kind of pulses, and we generally mash it and then slow cooked in the fire, like it is cooked for hours, and it tastes so good. It is like a very nutritious diet. And the other one is bade ki sabzi. These are bade. These are made from that kaddu and lauki, that kakdi. And this chutney, this is mix of mint and bhang. Bhang seeds are roasted so that to kill their dizziness, and then we eat it in winters to keep ourselves. So
Action.
I think you should show the rock cave also.
Yeah.
So this is these structures which we see are act as a rock caves for prehistoric men, and after that these caves belong to the wild animals like leopards, tigers, and all that, like bears. And after that the like humans started using them, and then like every shop is open somewhere. These act as cool temperate zones in summer also, because here the temperature will remain cool. In this will also protect you from rain, from snow, and from temperature also. So these are like very good places where you can come, sit, eat, relax.
Okay.
Plains. The difference is that the spinach over here gets spikes like leaves. In plains, the leaves of those spinach is oval, but here it is more kind of triangular type and spiny type thing. We generally praises the female, because we drink milk from it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here. This area is called Shalidhar area, and this is a national highway in which we are traveling. And those buildings and those high-rising buildings that you are seeing, that is Almora town. This entire district is Almora district, and we are on the main town, that is Almora town. So let's see this town. Office is also visible from this side.
Okay.
Take the video. This is where Grand Canyon magnetic field. Here in this place, magnetic field is very high. In the world, there are only 3 places in the world where an belt rises. One is in India, the other one is in Machu Picchu, Peru, and the third one I don't remember. It is also out of India. So in the world there are only 3 places where magnetic field is that much high, and those are known as because at these places van and belt it crosses, and this is one of those places. That's why Swami Vivekananda, NASA people, and many local foreigners, they used to come here to meditate, yoga, and all that, because at this place magnetic field is very high. If you meditate at this place, it will recharges your mind, clears your thought more, and that our body also have electromagnetism. Current is also there in our body, so magnetic propulsions and magnetism impacts our mind and our thoughts very deeply.
Barking top is only somewhat difficult.
Which one?
Going down is easy.
This is Lord Shiva's temple. This is not a prehistoric temple. It is created, I think, 7 to 8 years back. There are many prehistoric temples are also there. One is Sun Temple. In India, there are only 2 Sun temples. One is in Konark, Odisha, and the other one is in Kosi, where my office resides. So that's Sun Temple. And Jageshwar Temple is also nearby, around 34 kilometers from Almora town. There are around more than 100 shivlings out there. So that temple was built by Lord Shankaracharya ji when he was coming to north from south. No? So Shankaracharya ji built that temple, and that Jageshwar temple is also for Lord Shiva. Sit down. Yes, कहाँ से? The Venal belt crosses. That places have those places have high magnetic field. So one is Kasar Devi in the world. The other one is Machu Picchu, Peru, and the third one I don't remember the name of the third one, but that is also far from that India.
Okay.
So in the world there are only 3 places. So if you come to this place, meditate,
Okay.
it will like help you and improve your concentration, your thoughts. Because our in our body also there is flow of current, right? You must also be doing that, and that magnetism helps like it interfere with our mind and enhances our thought, and that's why from the ancient times also people are coming to this place to meditate.
थैंक यू।
Yeah.
एक बार
और इसकी वजह से वहाँ मैग्नेटिज्म काफ़ी हाई है। एक जो है वर्ल्ड में ये किसान देवी, दूसरा है माचू पिच्चू पेरू जो पेरू में है, जहाँ पे पिरामिड टाइप स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं उसमें देखिए। और थर्ड प्लेस का मुझे भी पता नहीं है क्योंकि मैं सब कुछ कहूँ, पर वो इंडिया में तो वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ 3 ही ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे मैग्नेटिज्म इतना नहीं है। तो इसलिए ऐसी जगह में आप अगर आप आकर के कुछ मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करता है, क्योंकि मैग्नेटिज्म का डायरेक्ट आपके ऊपर असर टाइम का यहाँ पे एक शिलालेख भी रखा हुआ है। हाँ, इनका यहाँ पे तो ये भी है इसके पीछे।
थैंक यू।
ओके।
View here.